Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in your Rocket account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.rocketmortgage.com/login. So once you do so, you will end up in the official website of Rocket Mortgage. So once you are here, all you need to do is simply press on the sign in button, and once you press on the sign in button, you will then be redirected to this kind of page where all you need to do is simply type in your username, and once you're done, you need to type in your password of your account as well. So after you are done filling both the credentials, all you need to do is simply press on the sign in button. So in this simple few easy steps, you can get logged in into your Rocket account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and just give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.